Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that 3 colonies of insects were each treated with a different pesticide over an 8-week period to test the effectiveness of 3 pesticides. Colonies A, B, and C were treated with pesticides A, B, and C respectively. Each pesticide was applied every 2 weeks to one of the 3 colonies over the 8-week period. The bar graph above shows the insect counts for each of the 3 colonies 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 weeks after the initial treatment. And we're asked, of the following, which is closest to the ratio of the total number of insects in all 3 colonies in week 8 to the total number of insects at the time of initial treatment. So we're comparing week 0 to week 8. So first, week 0, we are going to add up these 3 bar values. So for the first one, we have roughly 80. So week 0, we have 80 plus, we have right here a little bit more than 60. Let's call that 65. And then here we have a little bit under 60, so let's call that 55. 80 plus 60 plus 55 is 200. And then in week 8, adding these 3 bars up, here we have roughly 20. Plus for this bar graph, we have roughly 10. And for this one, we have roughly in between 60 and 40, let's call it 50. So 20 plus 10 plus 50 is 80. And we're asked for the ratio between these, which is 80 divided by 200. If you divide the top and the bottom by, not 20, you can do that, but you'd have to do an extra step after that, but by 40 on both sides. We have 80 divided by 40 is 2, 20 divided by 40 is 5. So the ratio is 80 over 200, or 2 over 5, or 2 to 5. A is going to be your final answer.